What's the meaning of babe? Babe. Babe.
Babe. Babe. Babe is a term of endearment that is often used to refer to a person's romantic partner. It can also be used as a casual or friendly way of addressing someone. The word has its origins in the Middle English word babin, which means to talk childishly. Over time, it evolved to mean child or baby, and then eventually became associated with romantic relationships. While the term can be seen as affectionate and loving, it can also be viewed as objectifying or disrespectful, depending on the context and the individuals involved.